It was a hot evening, and the ground was dusty from digging a long trench. Several workers sat with their tools, while thick black HDPE pipes lay on the side. These pipes were part of a major project bringing clean drinking water to a nearby village. The villagers had suffered from water shortages for years, and now a new pipeline was being installed to solve the problem once and for all. The most important step was joining the pipes. If the joints were weak, the entire project could fail. That's when the workers brought out a special machine, the Butt Fusion Welding Machine. It looked simple, with a red metal frame and heavy clamps, but it was the heart of the whole operation. A worker placed a pipe into the clamp and tightened it with a wrench. Another pipe was placed on the other side. In between them, a hot plate was inserted. The plate heated up quickly, glowing with heat. As soon as the pipe ends touched the plate, the edges began to melt slightly, becoming soft and shiny. The worker carefully removed the hot plate and, without wasting a second, pressed the two pipe ends together firmly. A small bead of melted plastic oozed out around the joint, a clear sign that the fusion was perfect. The pipes were left to cool for a short while, and when the worker checked the joint, it was rock solid. Smiling, he said, "This joint will last for at least 20 years." One by one, pipe after pipe was welded together. Forming a long continuous line through the trench. The workers, covered in dust and sweat, knew they were building something that would change lives. Within days, water would start flowing through these pipes. Reaching homes that had never seen running water before. This small machine, though simple in appearance, was making a huge difference. It was not just joining pipes. It was joining hopes, dreams, and futures. Every spark, every turn of the wrench, and every drop of sweat was proof that hard work built